Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Setiawati Yusuf. You can call me Tia. I'm from the Civic Education Study Program, Pancasila and Civic Education Study Program. Here I will explain learning module on 1 to learning module 16. Lesson 1. Jeff looks nervous, but he has an attractive appearance. He talks about his background, which includes experience in singing and dancing, and he prefers New York to Los Angeles. A small debate happens between Stephen, who is doubtful because of Jeff's lack of experience, and Linda, who really likes Jeff because he is energetic, smart, talented, and photogenic. In the end, Jeff is equipped for the role. New vocabulary. The audience is invited to review key words from the drama such as nervous, talent, take a chance, photogenic, terrific. As full parts, explaining how to ask sentence for suggestions. At first, asking why don't you? Lesson 2. Jeff looks very nervous in front of the two interview. Linda and Stephen. Jeff say that they can sing. He'll also explain that he has more experience in theater than in television. Stephen feels they are taking a big risk because Jeff experienced and look nervous. However, Linda disagrees and says that Jeff is very talented, smart, energetic, and much more photogenic than the other odds. At the end of the interview, Jeff gets the role after comparing life in New York City and Stanford, which he thinks has a friendlier community. Comparative adjective. The main focus of the lesson here is practicing comparative adjective. For an example, more experience, more photogenic, friendlier. Useful verse 1. Making suggestions. Practice asking the parts, why don't you? Example, why don't you? Take a set as full verse 2. Experience of disagreement or how the us sentence 4. Agreement. I agree with you. I think so too. Disagreement. I disagree. I don't think you. I don't think so. Lesson 3. Jeff is chatting with his mom after dinner about his new job, which he sees as big opportunity in the television. They also talk about his plan to move to Stanford and his hope to go successful. After the dialogue and the video focus on discussing important vocabulary that appears in the conversation, such as the word close, successful, hit break, front, start, and actually. The video then refer specific. Lesson 4. Jeff Bennett and Amy Monroe. Jeff is an actor who has just returned to the city of Stanford because he is involved in a new master TV series project. Meanwhile, Amy shares news about her sister who married a successful lawyer, and she also talks about her job at a video store. The video gives example of what changes and who to esteem in sentences such as all the oldest, nice the nice, good the best. It also teaches the use of the expressions I can wait to. Lesson 5. Mike is having a discussion about looking for an apartment to live in that is close to his workplace, adjusting to a new work environment, and his plan to buy a new car. Grammar. The main focus of this chapter is the use of the superlative degree to describe more than two things asking the most. For example, the most convenient, the most expensive, the most practical. Vocabulary. In the mid to end of the video, viewers review important vocabulary that appears in the dialogue, such as convenient, expensive, deal with modi, young, practical, luxury, turnpike. They listen all comes the ask of the staff hot like in neighborhood, boyhood, childhood. Lesson 6. They are prepping, shooting costumes, and having casual conversation about baby photo. The dialogue is designate natural so that viewer and directly hear how superlative words are used in real life context. Grammar session. In the second half of the video, it reviews that key vocabulary that was heard, and then provides third visual experience. For example, comparing the qualities of photo asing. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the best. Lesson 7. They are gathering at a cafe or a lounge area toward natural dialogue while sharing food and talking about careers. Viewers are introduced to the target lounge that the lesson aims to teach. Vocabulary drill. The second part replaces part of the dialogue to emphasize important words such as diet, pizza, change, audition, and complaint. Grammar focus. The final section provides a starter summary about the difference between passive adjective like my, your, his, and passive pronoun like mine, your, his, hers, ours, theirs. Lesson 8. Jeff tells everyone that they has just found a one-bedroom apartment street that comes with complete facilities like a kitchen, living room, terrace, and a garage under the building. The rent price is also considered pretty good because it's not as high as the price in New York. When Jeff shared his address, his friend realized that they actually live in the same building, so now they are official close neighbors. In the middle of the conversation, they also look at photo of Jeff neighbor baby girl. After the dialogue session, the video emphasize and give the pronunciation of several important words that appear in the story, such as there's understand, at least, certainly, highly experience. Lesson 9. Jeff and Diana, together with their director named Stephen, are rehearsing a scene where the characters Tony and Diana are in a museum late at night. The director gave Jeff feedback on his expression, telling him to act calm and not to end after the drama, and the video switched to a digital whiteboard format to break down several important grammar points that appeared in the previous dialogue. Comparative expression as you can as possible. This example explains how to ask the pattern to express someone's maximum ability or limit. Example: give as ready as I can be. Please come here as soon as possible. Meaning opponents were asked to as about our receipt. Example: was book, was apartment, was short for who is. Example: was the bus, was going to Stanford. This teaches the structure where the adjective come after pronoun like something, anything, or nothing. Example: talk, something different, anything wrong, and nothing important. Lesson 10. They give real example of how native speakers interact. Vocabulary. Some of the vocabulary talk includes expert, pouch, tobacco, treaty, fortune, look forward to, personality. Lesson 11. A character named Uncle Ben feels that something is wrong and claims that the object has been changed, saying it was given to me over it was signed with a different mark. The Mr. depends when near midnight. Uncle Ben tells Diana to come to the museum because he says he has proof. How when Diana and her colleague arrive, they find that Uncle Ben is lying, reveals the two are blue to their head. Vocabulary and rhythm lesson. I know it like the back of my hand. You know something very well and very clear. Lesson 12. Detective Stone is investigating a crime that happened in a museum at midnight. The victim, Mr. Morris, was startled by the perpetrator in his office before being hit on the head. The detective interrogates several witnesses and people who have accessed the museum case, including Mr. Philip Tate. The victim's name surprised Mr. Tate because of a previous phone argument, but the detective insists that he only works basis on fast grammar focus. One passive of voice in the past tense. Example: Mr. Tate was seen by Mr. Morris. The killer was suppressed by Mr. Morris. 2. In-depth explanation of the parts have something to do with, including the negative form, have nothing to do with, not everything to do. Lesson 13. Identifying actors and characters they play, such as Mary Beth Adams as Diana Morris, Jeff Bennett as Tony Hunter, George Watts as Ben Morris H. Matching dialogue quotes with the character who says them, like the dialogue about the Stanford 30 and the Morris Museum. Parroting useful expression from the video such as the meaning of "I wish you the best," "It's worth a fortune," "He blows up," "He's sitting pretty." Grammar lesson 1. Describing what something is made, pattern is made of, or they are made of. Example: a belt made of lead, a conch made of wood, earring made of silver, gold, knife made of. Lesson 14. Identifying actors and characters they play, such as Mary Beth Adams as Diana Morris, Jeff Bennett as Tony Hunter, George Watts as Ben Morris. Matching dialogue quotes with the characters who say them, like the dialogue about the Stanford 30 and the Morris Museum. Practicing useful expression from the video, such as the meaning of "I wish you the best," "It's worth a fortune," "He's he blows up," "He's sitting pretty," "Burn," "It's made of," or "the made of." Example: a belt made of leather. Asking the questions and answer what is it asset for. It's asset for. Example: a knife is asset for. Example: Diana Morris is played by Mary Beth Adams. Practicing the negative in passive sentence, is made of and made of. Lesson 15. This museum was founded last year by Benjamin Morris, while the building itself was built by Daniel Hoyt. Collection and facilities. The first follows the history of Stanford City, including photo maps, Native American artifacts, and the follow Stanford the document. The second from contains the Kitty Library. The museum is also surrounded by beautiful flower garden called the Morris Garden. Lesson 16. Tony, Diana, and Philip were interrogated by the detective. They studied exteriors focused on the crime scene, little soap, wall clock, and skin with any valuable items or document. They stand from 3 were stolen. That concludes my explanation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.